Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I think you all are staying at home and you all are fine. I am also fine. I am ABM Moinul Islam, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Rajuk Uttara Model College. Today I will discuss for the student of class 9 English version, and today I will discuss about chapter 7 of mathematics. This is the first lecture on this chapter. The name of the chapter is Practical Geometry. At the end of the chapter, you will be able to explain triangles and quadrilaterals with the help of figures. Also, you will be able to construct triangle by using given data. And also, you will be able to construct parallelogram by using given data. Now, I want to discuss on construction number 1 and construction number 2 together. Because there are a lot of similarities between construction number 1 and 2. In construction number 1, the base adds an angle and the sum of other two sides of a triangle are given. And in number 2, the base adds an acute angle and the difference of other two sides of a triangle are given. That is one in one, A is base, S is the sum of other two sides, and AX is the base at an angle are given. And in 2, base A, difference of other two sides is D, and base at an angle, acute angle AX, these three are given. That is, in 1 and 2, here two things are common, that is base and base at an angle are same. But in 1, given sum of other two sides, and 2, here D is the difference of other two sides. So now we will start together. In both cases, let us consider any ray B. Now from B, we cut off BC is equal to A, and for construction number 2 also, we cut off BC is equal to A. Now at point B, we draw angle CBF is equal to angle X, and for number 2 also, we draw angle CBF is equal to angle X. Now from BF we cut off BD, which is equal to the sum of other two sides S, and in construction number 2 also we cut off BD is equal to D, which is the difference of other two sides. Now in both cases we join C comma D. Here also we join C comma D. After that, these two are different. Now for 1 at point C, we draw angle DCA, and this angle is equal to angle BDC. This angle BDC. Just I want to repeat. At point C, we draw angle DCA, this angle, which is equal to the angle BDC. Let CA intersect BD at point A. So therefore triangle A, B and C, this triangle is the recurrent triangle. Now for construction number 2, here at point C, we draw angle DCA, this angle, which is equal to angle CDF, this CDF. I want to repeat. At point C, we draw angle DCA, which is equal to angle CDF. Let CA intersect BF at point A. So therefore here triangle ABC is the recurrent triangle. Now now I want to mention one thing, that is that at the end of my lecture I will construct these two construction using compass, pencil and scale. Now I want to go for construction number 3. Here the base, adjacent two angles and the perimeter of a triangle are given, and now we construct the triangle. This is number 3. Here S is the perimeter of the triangle, and angle X and angle Y are the base adjacent two angles. At first we consider any ray DF, and from DF we cut off DE is equal to S. Now at point D we draw angle EDL. This angle EDL is equal to X, and at point E we draw angle DEM. This DEM is equal to Y. Now we bisect these two angles. At first we bisect angle EDL by DG. I think you all know how we can bisect an angle, and after that we bisect angle DEM by EA. Let DG and EA intersect each other at point A. Now at point A we draw angle DAB. This angle DAB, which is equal to angle ADE. This ADE, and this angle is also half of the angle of X. Let AB intersect DE at point B. Again at point A we draw angle EAC. We draw angle EAC, which is equal to this angle, that is angle AED, and AED is the half of angle Y. Let AC intersect DE at point C. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. I also show this construction using compass, pencil and scale at the end of my lecture. Now my dear students, I want to give a homework. Please write down this. This is STEM. The base adjacent two angles of a triangle are X and Y, and the perimeter of the triangle is S. This is given. Now question number A. Express above information by figure. Then number B. Construct the triangle. Just using these given informations, you will construct the triangle. And question number C. If S be the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, then construct the triangle. So this is your homework, and after this long vacation you will submit this homework, and inshallah we will check your homework. Okay, thank you very much. My dear students, now we construct construction number 1, 2 and 3 using compass, scale and pen. I use pen instead of pencil just for more clear. Okay. Here you can see in construction number 1, base A, sum of other two sides S and base at an angle X is given. Now we construct number 1, and in 2 also base divides all the two sides D and base at an acute angle X is given. So at first we consider any ray BE. This I start for both 1 and 2. This is B and this is E, ray B, and this is E. From B, we cut off BC is equal to A. This is A. We cut off BC is equal to A, and here this is A. In figure 2, we cut off BC is equal to A, and here BC is equal to A. Now at point B, we draw angle equals to X. Just like this. Now taking this angle, we draw this angle and equal to this angle, we draw this angle. So angle EB and F, EBF. This is F. From BF, we cut BD, this BD, this BD is equal to S, and here equal to D, we cut off BD. In both cases, we join C comma E, C comma D, C comma D, and in figure 2 also, we join C comma D, C comma D. Now in figure 1, just equal to this angle, like this, equals to CDB, we draw angle DCA, DCA. So construction 1 is complete. This triangle ABC is required triangle. Now in construction 2, equal to this angle, that is equal to angle CDF, like this. CDF, we draw angle DCA, DC, this is A. Let CA intersect BF at point A, so therefore here triangle ABC is required triangle. Now in construction number 3, here perimeter AC is given, this is S, you can see, and two angles, angle X and angle X, these two are base versus angle are given. Now we draw the triangle. You must use pencil, but to more clear view, I use pen here. So at first, from DF, this is F and this is D. From DF equal to S, perimeter S, we just cut off DE. This is DE, Now at point D, we draw an angle equal to x. So this is angle x, and at point D, we draw angle equal to y like this. Just this angle x, here we draw this, and this angle y, here we draw equal to angle y. So we draw angle EDL, this is EDL, which is equal to x, and here DEM, this is DEM, this angle is equal to y. Now we bisect these two angles. We know how angle can be bisected like this. Again also we bisect this angle. This bisector is DG. This bisector is DG, and this bisector is EA. Let EA intersect DG at point A. Now at last, at point A, we draw angle DAB equal to angle EDA, that is equal to this angle EDA, or half of x, equal to this angle. And also at point A, we draw another angle. At point A, we draw another angle EAC, this is B, which is equal to AED. So equal to this angle, we cut this angle, just we join this. Just see. So therefore finally triangle ABC is recurrent triangle. Student, stay at home. Please don't go outside, and be well and be safe. And thank you very much for watching this video.